If your outlets keep acting up because of steam and humidity, you've got to get those vent fans installed as soon as possible to keep things dry and safe. So, first off, vent fans are like the MVPs for bathrooms and kitchens where steam just loves to hang out. Make sure you pick one that's strong enough for the room size. Check the cubic feet per minute rating, or CFM, to match your space. You want it pulling out the moist air fast before it even has a chance to mess with your outlets. Install the fan near the source of steam, like right over the shower or stove, so it catches the humidity right away. Run the fan while you're cooking or showering and for at least 15 minutes after to clear out leftover moisture. Keep the fan clean by dusting it regularly because a clogged fan won't do its job. If your outlet is already showing signs of damage like flickering or corrosion, replace it with a weather-resistant one designed for humid spaces. Also, consider using outlet covers that seal tightly to block moisture from sneaking in. Finally, if you're not comfortable with electrical work, calling a pro to install these fans and outlets will save you a headache and keep everything up to code. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet problems caused by humidity is ignoring the root cause. They just replace the outlet but don't control the moisture, so the problem comes back quick. Fix that by installing a proper vent fan and running it consistently. Another common issue is picking a fan that is too weak for the room size, which doesn't remove enough moisture. Always check the CFM rating based on your bathroom or kitchen dimensions before buying. A third mistake is poor installation. Fans venting into attic spaces or crawl spaces can cause more humidity problems there. Make sure your fan vents directly outside to prevent this. All of these issues can be sorted with proper fan selection, placement, and professional installation if needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle outlet and humidity issues right. It also helps contractors connect with clients needing quality work, making it easier for both sides to get things done without stress.